Hello techies, do you want to be a programmer and confused about what and where to start? Then you are in the right place. Why don't you start with the most trending and easy language? Yeah, you got it. I'm talking about Python. So good morning, good afternoon and good evening ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rahul Bansal and I welcome you guys on these YouTube tutorials on Python. You can see the content of these Python tutorials in the description below. The interesting thing is that these tutorials will be available in 3 different languages, that are English, Hindi and Punjabi. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can get updates directly on your notification bar. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video and share it.